Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison between two of the biggest names in the all-in-one marketing platform world, System.io and GoHighLevel. If you're building funnels, selling digital products, managing clients, or looking for an affordable way to automate your online business, then this video is for you. We'll go through an extended overview, explore the main features, compare the pricing, highlight the pros and cons of each one, and finally I'll share a balanced conclusion on which is the better option for you in 2025. Well, System.io is designed as an all-in-one platform mainly for solopreneurs, course creators, and small businesses who want to sell products, build funnels, and automate their marketing without needing multiple subscriptions or tech headaches. What makes System.io stand out is its simplicity and affordability. It's one of the few platforms that actually gives you a fully functional free plan, allowing you to create funnels, send emails, and even host online courses, all in one dashboard. Its clean interface makes it beginner friendly. You don't have to be a tech wizard to figure it out, which is why many people switching from more complicated tools like ClickFunnels or Katra find System.io refreshingly easy to use. It focuses on giving small business owners everything they need to launch, automate, and scale online, but without unnecessary complexity. Now let us talk about GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is a completely different beast. While System.io targets solopreneurs, GoHighLevel was built for agencies, people managing multiple clients, offering digital marketing services, or running local business campaigns. It's not just an automation tool, it's a complete client management and white label platform. You can literally brand the dashboard as your own and resell it to your clients. GoHighLevel combines CRM, automation, funnels, SMS, email marketing, booking systems, reputation management, and even call tracking, all in one unified system. So think of it this way. System.io helps you build and sell your own products and services, while GoHighLevel helps you run a business that helps other businesses. So let us talk about the main features of each platform. We start with System, Funnel and Landing Page Builder. System.io includes a simple drag and drop funnel editor that lets you create sales funnels, opt-in pages, thank you pages, and checkout pages with ready-made templates. Email marketing and automation. It offers built-in email broadcasting and autoresponder tools, letting you set up automation workflows and tag subscribers easily. Course and membership hosting. You can upload lessons, restrict content, and manage student access, perfect for anyone selling online courses or digital content. Affiliate management system. System.io lets you create your own affiliate program to recruit and manage affiliates who promote your products. E-commerce integration. It supports payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, giving you professional checkout pages with upsells and order bumps. The main goal here is to launch quickly and grow smoothly, without technical confusion. Everything is integrated, which means fewer moving parts and fewer monthly bills. How about GoHighLevel? CRM and pipeline management. It gives you full control over leads, over clients, and sales pipelines. You can track every interaction and you can automate follow-ups. Advanced automations. GoHighLevel's automation engine is powerful. You can build complex workflows that trigger emails, SMS messages, voice drops, or even Facebook messages. White label and SaaS mode. This is where GoHighLevel shines. You can brand the entire platform as your own, add your logo, your domain, and even resell it as your own SaaS product. Funnels and websites. Similar to System.io, you can build landing pages and funnels, but GoHighLevel's builder integrates tightly with CRM data and automation tools, giving more dynamic control. It also has membership access. There's a full-featured course management options. You can offer free and paid courses, and it offers unlimited users, offers, and products for your courses. The appointment booking and reputation management is also seamless. You can let clients schedule calls or appointments directly, manage reviews, and send automated reminders, which is perfect for service-based businesses. What is the pricing of these platforms like? Let's start with System. System has one of the most generous pricing models in the market. There's a free plan, there's a startup plan, there's the webinar plan, and the unlimited plan. And for GoHighLevel, there's a 14-day free trial version that allows you to test out the platform for 2 weeks before you eventually commit your money. But there's a starter plan at $97 per month and an unlimited plan at $297 per month. Both of them allow the 14-day free trial window. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? Let's start with the pro. For System.io, it's very beginner friendly and intuitive. It has a free plan with essential features. It combines funnels, email, courses, and affiliates in one place, and is really cost effective. The pros of GoHighLevel: it's extremely powerful for agencies and service providers, and it allows full white label branding and reselling. There's also a multi-channel automation that includes email, SMS, calls, and more. How about the cons? For System.io, there's limited advanced automation options, and it has no white label or multi-client functionality. For GoHighLevel, it has a steeper learning curve, is not so beginner friendly, and it can be overwhelming for solo creators. Of course, the monthly cost is on the high side. So which of these two platforms win? Well, it depends on who you are and at what stage your business is at. If you're a solopreneur, a content creator, a coach, or a small business owner, and your main focus is creating funnels, selling products, and automating simple emails, then System.io is absolutely the better fit. It's easy to use, very affordable, and gives you all the tools that you need without the heavy setup. But if you are running a marketing agency, managing multiple clients, and you want to build a white label SaaS business, then GoHighLevel is hands down the stronger choice. Of course, it's an investment, but it lets you scale faster, automate more, and even generate recurring revenue by reselling the software under your own brand. And that's it on the comparison between System.io and GoHighLevel. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Kajabi, Kartra, and ClickFunnels. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.